developed a fold weapon. It has the power to destroy entire worlds, but without its power source, the Ark, it is inoperable. Your mission is to capture the Ark before it can leave the airbase. Marauder Corps, weapons hot! Stand by for Titanfall. Badger 6, take the sideline. Titans up ahead. Go, go, go!
You don't know when to give up, do you? Call you an amateur, but that's a given with militia pilots, isn't it?
Excessive damage. Warning. Warning. Flight war ready.
It's not over until it's over, Outlaw.
That ship before it takes off. Take those Titans out, pilot. Move it, pilot. Move it!
Sorry, pilot, but it's all over for you.
Flight war ready. Flight war active.
Nice shot, Pilot Cooper. We need to keep moving.
Vanguard Titan acquired. You dead, Outlaw.
Good takedown, pilot. Let's keep moving. Follow me. There's a lift up ahead. Come on, pilot. Here we go. Get ready, pilot. Going up. That was the easy part. Well, you're doing a good job, Cooper. And as far as I'm concerned, you've earned your pilot certification. Now let's finish this thing and get home. There she is. We still have time to intercept the Ark. Move! Move! Incoming hostiles!
We got IMC coming up from the east! Backup! I need backup!
Titan down.
I got one!
Flight core ready. Enemy Titan down.
We're closing on the Draconis. Keep going.
Excessive damage. Warning. Warning.
All militia forces, move in on the Draconis.
Hostile Titan in sight. There ain't nowhere to run, outlaw.
Flight
Flight
core
core
ready.
activated.
Enemy Titan down.
They're hitting us fast!
The Draconis is almost fueled. Move, move! Their escort is here. We don't have much time.
Powering up! Power over 2, I got a lot! Taking the shot!
Mission Titan down. Flight core activated. Flight core offline. Warning. Detecting hull damage.
Alright, militia. Catch this.
Warning. Our reactor is unstable. Replacement battery required. Flight core ready. Enemy Titan down. Flight core activated. Flight core offline.
They're taking off. We need to get to that ship.
Don't let them get away!
Don't let them get away. Get to that ramp.
Bliss, this is Sloan. The Ark is headed your way. I'll let Viper take it from here. See you soon.